Hello guys, welcome back to Quad Pod. This is Alston here. So a very Merry Christmas to you all, and today it's gonna be a day in my life on Christmas. So we don't really have anything planned out. Just plunk it and see how it goes, I guess. So let's go. So we just had breakfast and everything, and right now we're heading to church. And I have a reading too, so let's see how that goes. So we just got home from church and it all went pretty well actually, and right now we're just gonna cut the cake. So we have two cakes here. One is actually the plum cake, so that we made that at home, and we have another one here. I'm not really sure what flavor it is, but then it looks pretty good too. So the cut, let's go. So after we cut the cake, we just gave out some of these sweets to our neighbors and friends, and then we had lunch, and then I had quite a big nap. So it's 6:30 now, and I'm just gonna show you guys some of the sweets and snacks that we made for Christmas this year. So first up, this is called the murukku. So murukku is basically like a deep fried it's made with rice flour, and it has mostly to do with texture and not much on the taste itself. So you can eat it as whole. The crunchy thing is what really makes it. It doesn't have like a distinct taste on its own, but then that just if you're feeling bored, you just put something in your mouth. Yeah, that kind of stuff this is. Next, what we have here is called the achumurukku. So achumurukku basically means the same murukku but then in a mold. So this mold is kind of like a wheel, the olden wheel kind of thing. So this isn't the texture based one. This is more of like a sweet flour. This is actually better because I want to have a flavor profile in all the layers, both texture and in the taste level itself. So this is something that's meant for me, that not exactly my taste. And next we have the somas. So this is basically like a puff pastry, okay, but then it has a sweet coconut filling on the inside. So this is how it looks on the inside. So look at, there's a lot of filling, and the outside is like really crispy, and since it's fried, it's like it comes together like really well. So that's it for now, and we have gulab jamun and cake. That's about it. Now I'll just show you around the decorations that we have. Really sorry about that. So first up, it's of course the Christmas tree. Yeah. Then we have some miscellaneous stuff here that has to do with the wreath and just a toy there, and the Merry Christmas sign. And then of course we have the table. It has some lights on it, and then here we have the crib. So kind of like a low balling situation. So the crib has a couple of decorations here, and then this is the main crib. And a snowman here, a big snowman indeed. And the tree is also like pretty big. If I stand next to it, it's pretty big though. Yeah. Now I'll just turn off the lights and we'll see how it looks. So it looks pretty great according to me, and I hope you all will think the same too. Anyway, we're just having some guests over for dinner, and we don't really have much to do after this. So I guess this is it. See you on the next one.